smell is bursting in this kitchen. You want to see me how I cook this delicious Africa stew, specifically Sierra Leone stew, guys. Stay tuned. This is potato, fish, carrots, you know. Let me show you how to cook this delicious food, guys. Yeah, stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Hey guys, welcome back to Unique Beauty with another cooking video. I have two lovely fish there. Once you scale it, wash it well, then you go ahead and cut it. Use sharp knife to cut it, guys. Yeah, so once you finish cutting it, then you add your spice, which I am going with Benny spice, then Onga. This is, I'm going to write more details with this flavor. They're different from the cube, so I'm going to use two spoons of them. Yeah, but it's big, it's thick inside as well, but I'm just gonna sprinkle. But it's two spoons or 1 spoon, depending the amount of fish you'll be cooking on the other side. Yeah, be careful with this spice. They're a bit salty as well, so this is why I don't add salt, guys. Then once it's finished, then I'm going to stick it in the oven. I have another full video where I show you 2 methods to use the oven for your fish, and also to fry, and also to scale it. So guys, that's what I'm going to set it aside for the stew, yeah, for later. I'll put the link on the description below. Check it out now, that video. So these are the other stuff I will be incorporating. I got Irish potato, and then bonnet chili, then carrot, two onions, red and white. I'll be using with bell pepper, with garden egg. Guys, once I finish peeled everything, then I'll go ahead and wash it just like so. Then I got the other garden egg there. So we have to take the seed out when we cook it in Sierra Leone. This is how we do it. Then I'm going with 200 ml of oil, because the onions I've used a lot with spring onions as well, guys. I didn't show you the spring onions earlier on there, but this will add so much flavor into the food. Red onions, white onions, you can dice them like this. Either the 2 ways is fine for the fish stew. We like the onions bigger when we cook fish stew in Sierra Leone, guys. So this is why I showed you the 2 ways you can dice it. So once the oil is heat up to the temperature you want it, go ahead and put all the spring onions and the red and white onions into the oil. Then you start stirring. So once you stir and leave it for 5 minutes, guys. So once you can cover it up, or you just leave it like that, or you continue to stir it till you get it a bit softer, just like so, not too soft. Yeah, then I'm going to go along with my seasonings. So these seasonings, they're all from Africa, guys. Only the chicken one, the yellow one there, which I'll put the picture up, you'll see them. Then that one is white pepper and black pepper, then with bay leaf, then with other spice. This one I made it from Africa myself, but I'm going to show you that video coming up soon. So I just go with 2 spoons from the other previous one I showed you. Those are all the seasonings there as well. So I'm add 2 spoons. So I add it now into the onion. So I'm going ahead now and stir it. But when you add the seasonings into the onions, it cook it very quickly, guys. Then the onions will have better taste for the food, because that's the only base we're gonna have, and we're not going to add water. Then I'm going to add the garden egg. Yeah, so once I add it, you can see it's cooking up now. This time another 10 minutes, then I'm going to boil my chopped tomato, because it has water. Boil it separately. So once I get it to this stage, I'm going to add it into this pot again. I'm adding first the bell pepper. Once I add the bell pepper, I'm going to add the carrots, potato, everything. So like I told you, it's stew. You can't cook them separate too far at the time. You have to just add them together. Yeah, like 5 minutes apart of every time. So I add as well the chopped tomato that I've cooked separately. Yeah, I've reduced the water. I didn't have them plum tomato tin, because that one I like it. It doesn't have water. It doesn't contain water like the chopped tomato. But you can use either of the 2. It's all good, guys. Anyone you have. So as you can see, I mix everything out. Then I put the lid on, leave it to steam for 10-15 minutes. Then I check on it. Then mind you, with the heat as well, turn it down let it cook slowly. So once I finish cook the stew very well, this is the fish and the meat. It's all been grilled very well. I grill it, guys, because it's fish stew. You don't need to fry the fish, fry it too much oil. At least this way you contain the oil, the kind of oil you'll be eating. Yeah, I like to grill my meat and fish when I'm cooking oil or anything. It just help with the oil and everything. Yeah, guys. So she can see 10-15 minutes later, everything is cooking away. The smell, guys, the smell is lovely. So I'm going to go ahead now and add the fish because the stew is cooking. It only takes me like 30-45 minutes to cook this. Once you dice everything ready, the potato, when you peeled it, you can put it, soak it in water. Then with the garden egg, soak it in water because you don't want them to change the color. Yeah, then you start cooking. It's so easy. If you're grilling your fish, you grill. If you're frying, fry first. Don't do everything in one go because that's how you made mistake when you're cooking, you see. So once I add the fish and the meat, it's all good, guys. Sorry we like mixing, but this is okay, you know. It's not bad. You need meat and fish, you eat together, guys. Yeah, West Africa, we're good with that. Mixing, we love it, we used to it, guys. So I covered it for another 5 minutes. Then it's okay, guys. I just add the spring onions topping. Yeah, guys, don't forget to subscribe and like. If you like more of any cooking video, please comment with what you want. If I have the time, I'll do it for you. Not all the time I cook, guys, but the day I cook, I want to give you nice, guys. So like I said, 45 minutes latest the food should be ready because it just takes time with the potato because of there is no water added, so it's the steam. So this is why you pay attention with the heat so you don't end up burning everything. Yeah, guys. So the African spice video is coming up. Then I also have some new video back to back. It's coming up for you guys, so check some of my videos playlist. I section them, you can watch them, and please subscribe. Try to watch them till the end and watch some of the ads as well, you know. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please comment. Let's see what we can cook for you next on today's channel. We talk about hair, we talk about treatment, you know. I give you tip everywhere. We don't have specifics and niche. We don't have specific niche onto my channel, guys, because all the niche they're gone, to be honest. You know, it's hard to get new niche again now. So there we go. Musa is dishing. He can't wait. He can't wait. He just cannot wait for me to finish. The smell was killing his nose, guys. Oh, my son, he loved me cooking for him. So that's it. They love potato and carrots. Yeah. So they love stew, fish stew. Thank you. Bye.